League of Nations. The First World War brought death and destruction all over the world. The people and governments of the world began to think about forming an international organization to prevent future wars. Accordingly, conferences and discussions were organized based on ways to prevent future wars. The President of America, Woodrow Wilson, declared 14-point program. In this program, League of Nations was one of the main issues. Aims and objectives of League of Nations. The main aims and objectives of League of Nations can be stated as establishment of peace and security in world, establishment of friendly and cooperative relations among nations, solving issues between nations with peace and therefore avoiding wars. All the members of League of Nations are secular and independent. That is, not bound to any religious as well as imperial rule. These should follow the rule of League of Nations. All member nations should follow international law. Foundation of League of Nations. On January 10, 1920, at Geneva in Switzerland, League of Nations was founded. Initially, only 32 nations became the part of League of Nations. But later, this number was increased.